Which of the following is a comparative form of an adjective? A. Goodest. B. Most good. C. Better. Answer is better. The comparative form of good is better. Which of the following is an adverb? A. Engagingly. B. Engage. C. Engaging. Answer is engagingly. Engage is a verb, engaging is an adjective, engagingly is an adverb. What is the superlative form of near? A. Nearest. B. Neariest. C. Most near. Answer is nearest. For adjectives ending in R, add est for the superlative form. Which is the comparative form of the adjective friendly? A. Friendliest. B. Friendlier. C. More friendlier. Answer is friendlier. The comparative form of friendly is friendlier, the superlative form of friendly is friendliest. Which is the comparative form of the adverb loudly? A. Loudier. B. Louder. C. More loudly. Answer is more loudly. The comparative form of loud is louder, whereas loudly is more loudly. Which is the superlative form of the adverb slowly? A. Slowest. B. Slowlier. C. Most slowly. Answer is most slowly. The comparative form of slowly is more slowly, the superlative form of slowly is most slowly. Which of the following is the comparative form of the adjective famous? A. Most famous. B. Famousier. C. More famous. Answer is more famous. The comparative and superlative forms of famous are more famous and most famous. Which of the following is the superlative form of the adjective far? A. Most far. B. Furthest. C. Farthest. Answer is farthest. The superlative form of far is farthest or furthest. What is the comparative and superlative form of active? A. More active and most active. B. Activer and activist. C. Activier and activiest. Answer is more active and most active. Two-syllable adjectives use more and most. Which of the following is the correct sentence? A. The movie was interestingly. B. The movie was interesting. C. The movie was interest. Answer is the movie was interesting. Interesting is an adjective that describes the movie, and it is grammatically correct to use in this context. Which of the following sentences uses the comparative form of an adjective correctly? A. She runs most fast than him. B. She runs more fast than him. C. She runs faster than him. Answer is she runs faster than him. The comparative form of fast is faster. Which of the following sentences uses the superlative form of an adjective correctly? A. That is the better cake I have ever eaten. B. That is the good cake I have ever eaten. C. That is the best cake I have ever eaten. Answer is that is the best cake I have ever eaten. The superlative form of good is best. Which sentence correctly uses the comparative form of an adjective? A. This coffee is much hotter than that one. B. The elephant is more bigger than the giraffe. C. My cat is the more cutest cat in the world. Answer is this coffee is much hotter than that one. Hotter is the correct comparative form of hot, bigger is the correct comparative form of big, cuter is the correct comparative form of cute. Which sentence correctly uses the comparative form of an adverb? A. She runs more faster than her brother. B. He sings more beautifully than her. C. The car drives most smoothly on the highway. Answer is he sings more beautifully than her. Faster is the correct comparative form of fast, more beautifully is the correct comparative form of beautifully, more smoothly is the correct comparative form of smoothly. When do we use ER and EST endings in comparison? A. For all adjectives. B. For one-syllable adjectives. C. For two-syllable adjectives. Answer is for one-syllable adjectives. One-syllable adjectives use ER and EST. Two-syllable adjectives not ending in Y use more and most plus adjective. Two-syllable adjectives ending in Y change the Y to I and use ER and EST. Which of the following is true about the positive degree? A. It is used to compare two things. B. It is formed with ER or EST. C. It is the base form of the adjective or adverb. Answer is. It is the base form of the adjective or adverb. Positive degree does not express comparison. Which of the following is an irregular comparative adjective? A. Bad. B. Nice. C. Heavy. Answer is bad. The comparative and superlative form of bad is worse and worst. Which of the following is true about adjectives ending in y? A. Do not change before adding er or est. B. Change to I before adding er or est. C. Change to ie before adding er or est. Answer is. Change to I before adding er or est. Example, the degrees of the adjective happy is happier and happiest. Which of the following is true about the use of than and as? A. As is used to show similarity, while than is used to show difference. B. They are interchangeable and can be used in any comparison. C. Than is used to show similarity, while as is used to show difference. Answer is. As is used to show similarity while than is used to show difference. Examples, this dress is as expensive as that one. This cake is tastier than any other cake I have ever tasted. Which of the following words must be followed by to and not than when making a comparison? A. More popular. B. Superior. C. Quicker. Answer is superior. Words that compare positions or ranks must be followed by to and not than.